The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. You want to take off of that? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the police within the country of Jamaica shut down more than one parties in one night in Kingston, Jamaica. You see me? I read a news article that had been published on Saturday the 20th of March, the year 2021, and according to some things that I read in the news article, it is said that the police shut down parties in Kingston on Friday night. You see me? Yeah, it is said that the police shut down a party in Denham Town, and it is said that the police shut down a party in Tivoli Gardens, and it is said that more than 40 persons had been arrested and sound system equipments had been seized by the police within the country of Jamaica. You see? And I also saw videos circulating on social media about the incident. That's what I'm saying to you, and I just presented to you one of those pieces of videos so that you might have a better understanding as to what happened. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. You know, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, or about the incidents. Alright, now I read a news article where it is said that something that believed to be a meteor light up the sky of eastern Cuba and caused an explosion on the 19th of March, the year 2021. According to some things that I read in that news article, it is said that no reports had been made about any damages, and it is said that no reports had been made about anyone who got injured or any injuries. You see me? However, I saw a video circulating on social media, and according to some things that had been said on social media about the video, it is said that the video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. However, I cannot confirm if the video actually had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that the video shows something falling from the sky. According to where I found this video on social media, I got the understanding that the video had been posted on the 20th of March, the year 2021. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, if this video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica, could it be that the thing that is believed to be a meteor that light up the sky of eastern Cuba could have been caught on camera by someone within the country of Jamaica? You see me? Could it be? Alright? And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me if you think that thing that is believed to be a meteor actually had been caught on camera by someone within the country of Jamaica. Let me know what you think, alright? Here's the video. Observe. Alright, let me know what you think about that whole thing where it is said that something that is believed to be a meteor light up the sky of eastern Cuba on the 19th of March, the year 2021. Alright, let me know what you think about that. Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a person who is said to be a police officer from within the country of Jamaica disrespecting a person who is said to be a justice of the peace from within the country of Jamaica. In this video, you can hear some very harsh languages, viewers and subscribers. See me? And I'm presenting this video to you because this video is being talked about on social media, and this video has been brought to my attention. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video has been recorded, and I do not have any confirmed information as to when this video has been recorded. But however, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, I wanted to please bear in mind that this video shows when a police officer from within the country of Jamaica said some very disrespectful things about a person who is said to be a justice of the peace within the country of Jamaica, alright? This video also shows a number of persons, is what I'm saying to you. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
When people have travel through the so now we must stop them and talk to them, sir. You are just like this and have no manners. Maybe you might say that. You pay our approach a while ago. Don't come down. Don't come down. You wrongs don't make a right. Some bumbucks are just working, you know. And a blood clot, you know. Them a blood clot, gentle. Some blood clot, gentle. Hey, it's a JP. What's that one? Work. I'm a blood clot and police. No problem. We know a blood clot apology. Push it up.
Your door is open and he's calling you.
You don't want my blood clot do.
He's ready.
I don't want my blood clot do. You push the whole JP. What do you, man? Blood clot from blood clot here. Next time you can come blood clot here. I'm going to talk about good night. Put it in the push the whole. Put it in the blood clot. Put it in the what? Yo.
Alright, you bent it for me, bro.
Yo, give me a phone. Give me a phone. Give me a phone.
Don't send him run. No, 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 no.
Work. I mix it up big and full. I mix it up. Make it JP so you more push down. Work. I'm looking about JP. I'm going to blood to the Christian blood clot class too. Me can't call him. When you call, I'm a shagger. Make him also give more push out. Work. Bambo, me a police. Tell the blood commissioner. Move and go. Pussy one. You can't go tell me nothing. I'll stop you with a pussy and go. Dog shit. Bumbo land. Fat bumbo and go. You can't be nothing.
Me get already.
In a bar, you have to go catch him. Go catch him in a bar. Catch him in a bar. And then come over with
Alright.
No man no deserve to know force virgin. You know where else man for me taxpayer money not supposed to pay them money.
Pussy about you.
Jamaica not go better man. For me taxpayer money not supposed to pay them.
Jamaica not go better man. Jamaica not go better man. Jamaica never better man. I corrupt one this, you know.
Alright, you know, come, let's close the meeting. Come, let's close the meeting. Come back.
Yeah, man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know, I presented this video to you because it had been brought to my attention. That's what I'm saying to you. However, I take a look at the video and I listen to some of the things that had been said in the video. And in my point of view, this video might have been recorded before the COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, I think so. You see me? But I'm just telling you what I think, you know. I could be right and I could be wrong. You see me? I'm just telling you what I think. But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Alright, alright, big up and respect to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it, you see me? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, I know? I want to big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man.